Hello and welcome to Timmy's 10 again for an unboxing of a 2014 Hot Wheels from Hot Wheels City, number 25 of 250. It's the Fiat 500. Small little compact car. It's from the Burnerz series. What does that say? That says Burnerz. Hot Wheels City. Which one is it? If you know, comment down below. I know my friend at Sam's Diecast will know. Sam knows it all. Nice. Bottom is plastic, and this car is made in Malaysia. All the white you're seeing is metal. Nice tampos for the tail lights and the parking lights, headlights, and the logo. Not sure how well you can see the logo, but it is there. Alright, now, does this little car go cool on the track? Does do well. Driving on this car, the steering is on the left, and this has a maroon interior. I gotta make sure I show this. If you could see, and then I'll have my hand out of the way. See that maroon? I definitely did not notice that in the package. And the two front windows are down also. Didn't mention that. Let's see if this car does some drifting. First he rolls straight. He rolls pretty straight. Starts to veer left at the end. Well, backwards to start to veer left. Yep, still in the front too. That's not too nice looking at the car that just went by. Oh, nice. That was a cool one. See, I can stay in the middle with this little car. No hitting the sides. Oh! I start getting crazy and I go too fast. Awesome ride. Thanks for tuning in and checking out Timmy's 10 again. Spread the word. Get it out there. Opening as many cars as I can. And always checking out the new ones. Please subscribe to Timmy's 10 again.